If you have a washing machine and if you don't do that, you will regret for a life. Yes, you are just destroying life of your washing machine. I'm Gogi from How to Do It, and today we're gonna let you know washing machine descaling, how to clean your machine. Regularly descaling helps lime scale, detergent residue, and dirt and buildup of fungi and other type of things. And it cleans the smell of the washing machine and increase the capacity of washing the clothes. Add washing machine descaling tablet or liquid into your machine and start the machine. And keep in mind your drum should be completely empty. Choose the cleaning program. In my scenario, it's tub hygiene. I'm clicking on the program and after that going on number 12, drum hygiene. In many washing machines you can check out with the name drum clean or washing machine clean. Depends on what model you are using and what company of your washing machine. Start the program and leave the machine complete the cycle. It can take a few hours or few minutes. Clean any remaining residues after completing the cycle using a clean cloth. And you should keep descaling regularly your machine if you want to remove bad smell, dirt and fungal growth, and clean and fresh and efficient life of washing machine. So hope you liked this video and understood how to do that. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.